Hey Pharmacist, big news. The FDA has just approved the Dexcom G7 15-day CGM. This increases the sensor range from 10 days to 15 days, plus you still have the 12-hour grace period, giving a total of 15 and a half days. The Dexcom G7 15-day system is expected to launch in the US in the second half of 2025, and hopefully it'll roll out to the rest of the world soon after. With that, the Dexcom G7 has had a lot of recent updates, and some of you may have already experienced these, but let's talk about a few of them. Apple Watch connectivity. The Dexcom G7 is the first and only CGM with direct to Apple Watch connectivity. That means you can leave your iPhone at home when you go for a run or a walk and still view your glucose readings directly on your watch. And don't worry, Android users, Dexcom is currently working on similar functionality for Android smartwatches. Insulin pump integration. The Dexcom G7 integrates seamlessly with automated insulin delivery systems like the Omnipod 5 and Tandem T-Slim X2, helping you stay in range with fewer manual adjustments. Sensor patch and adhesive. You may have noticed this, but the Dexcom has made improvements to the sensor design. The patch is now more translucent for added discretion, and the new adhesive formula is designed to reduce potential skin irritation while providing better adhesion. Dexcom continues to partner with various health apps. To learn more, head to your country's website and explore what's available in your region. Let me know in the comments which Dexcom G7 feature you've been using, which ones you're excited about. Let me know what you think of the upcoming Dexcom G7 15-day system. And there you go. That's a quick overview of some of the new features that have already been launched and what we can expect later this year. Thanks for watching. Bye, Pharmacist.